Now I'm going to play to you on the soundtrack the output from the headphone socket on the V750. Now you can see here that the meters are going up and down. That's because it's using the internal microphone within this thing. I'm actually recording on MP4 format, which doesn't give you any kind of surround sound. You just get a standard stereo soundtrack. One of the things you may notice, if I compare the sound between the direct recording microphone and headphone output, that there's a significant delay. I'm just going to use this ruler here to do a bit of a slate so you can see what the situation is there. Let's do a slate here. Right, and we can use that to kind of calibrate what's going on with the delay between the channels. Obviously I'm recording both microphones and the two left and right headphone outputs from the V750 onto the R44, so they're all synced up quite nicely. So I should be able to indicate to you what the delay is when I do the edit. Okay, so I've plugged in the microphone, and you notice first of all that it's quite sensitive here. So one of the things I'm going to do is to reduce the gain on that microphone. It was at -6 dB, I guess, and we bring it down to -12. Now at that level we've got a similar sort of looking record level to what we had using the internal microphones. Now again, you'll probably hear this horrible buzzing sound, which doesn't sound very good at all. The dialogue I've had so far with Panasonic, the person who responded said, well, of course audio quality is subjective. Well, I think that's a bit more than subjective personally, but we'll give it a whirl here. So let's just go back to listening to the direct recorded microphone, which is the NTG1 of course now. So have a listen to that, and then let's listen to that on the left channel, and we'll have a listen to what's coming out of the V750 on the right channel. So you just get an idea of the quality difference between what's going in and what's coming out. And of course, just in case people might think that the problem here is the headphone driver, maybe that's thought I was being poor, let's listen to the output from the file that's actually been recorded here. Okay, so that's the output. This is now the output from the recorded file. Again, I've got the NTG1 clean recording on the left and the thing from the V750 on the right. Let's just finally give a quick demonstration then of the output from the V750 on both channels, which is the kind of result you would get if you were recording an interview with somebody. Now I've done that quite happily with the TM300 recorder, which is a predecessor camcorder to this V750, and although the TM300's actual optical quality is a lot poorer than the new machine, I think we'll find its audio quality is somewhat better. And I'm going to do that now because I'm going to stop this and I'm going to swap over the camcorders so that the V750 will actually be giving you this view of the TM300, and the sound will be that going through the TM300. So stand by while we just change these over.